Hello everyone and welcome to Whimsy Creek Art. My name is Megan. In today's video we're going to compare using just water mixed with paint and also a paint pour mixed with Floetrol and silicone. So today's video, both paint pours, same colors. We're going to use Apple Barrel's Cameo Pink, Apple Barrel's Blue Cotton, Master's Touch Rouge, Cheap Paints Ultramarine Blue, and then I have taken Cheap Paints Pearl White and I have mixed it with a Folk Art Pure Artist Pigment Payne's Gray, and so that made a lighter metallic kind of shimmery Payne's Gray. It really is a beautiful lighter Payne's Gray, kind of a shimmery blue gray. And so today's video we have got a 12-inch hexagon canvas, and so I have mixed the paint for this 60% paint to 40% water, and that is it. No pouring medium, no Floetrol, no silicone. And so all the colors are just mixed with water here, and then I'm going to use an aquarium tubing to blow it out. And so on this video is here this hexagon. Now we're comparing it to the same colors done with the same technique on a prior one that I had done on an 8 by 10 inch canvas, and that was actually done during a live stream. Alright, so I've laid down the colors just kind of a random through the middle, and I like to use aquarium tubing because it's nice and bendy. You can really manage it well, and you can reuse it over and over and over again. So I'm just blowing gently through the aquarium tubing, kind of just feathering the paint back and forth, and I'm going on the one side and then I'm kind of blowing on the other side and just kind of picking up a little bit of each of the colors as I blow across. And I was kind of honestly surprised at how well this came out with just water only. There's no pouring medium. Some of them are kind of those cheaper Apple Barrel craft paints, and really they did really well. But I mean, I would say a metallic paint will create a few cells anyways. So I am getting a few cells in this, and that's mainly with that metallic paint. You automatically just kind of get a little bit of cell action with the metallic paint. And so the comparison is with the same colors was used on an 8 by 10 inch canvas, but those paints were mixed exactly the same as I would mix all my paints. 1 part paint to 4 parts Floetrol, and then like 2 drops of silicone oil, treadmill oil. And I'm just kind of popping a little bit of air bubbles, nothing really to do with cells because there's no silicone in here, but just going ahead and giving it a little bit of a torch to pop some air bubbles. But I'm really pleasantly surprised. This really turned out beautifully. And here I'm going to have a little bit of a close-up shot of this one. Love these beautiful hexagon canvases. And then I also have some close-ups of the 8 by 10 inch, the comparison piece that is done with Floetrol and silicone. And if you would like to see that one actually done in a video, that was done on a live stream on May 26th. At the 41-minute mark is when I did that 8 by 10 inch with these same colors with the silicone and Floetrol added. And so I will go ahead and link that video down below, that live stream with the 8 by 10 inch. And but it starts at 41-minute mark is when that painting comes up. So thank you so much for watching, and I've been experimenting and really kind of pleasantly surprised and enjoying painting with just water. It's kind of a pleasant surprise. So here's some close-ups of that 8 by 10 inch that had the silicone and Floetrol. So thank you so much for watching, and you have a great one.